All right, Under the Wings 81 in progress, part 3 here. March 9th, Monday. It's cold outside, but we had sun. Yeah, we'll take sun when it's cold any day. Yeah, overcast, gray, and rain, and so on. Okay, enjoy your Din Din sweets. Erase the pencil after get the inking done. Slow going here. Thinking, 50 years ago, 1976, my junior year in University School of Art, I was drawing away in ink. Here I am 50 years later, still drawing away in ink. Yep. Thank you, Dr. Chi. You're a great art critic. Yeah. Some of my professors are now gone to the next world, as the late Isaac Bashevis Singer would put it, the Polish-Jewish, born and raised American immigrant, writer, novelist, Nobel Prize for Literature winner, the next world. Like Larry Bernstein and Herbert Fink. Yeah, you like my mentioning those late art professors? Oh, cool. You guys have more knowledge than I realized. Yep. This is not easy doing the ellipse here. Okay, 3:59, 4 minutes, that's enough for this part.